In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a pending transfer on Robinhood. Whether you moved money by mistake or changed your mind, I'll walk you through the exact steps on the web and share a few tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, open your browser, go to robinhood.com and log into your account. For your security, make sure you're on a trusted network and consider having two-factor authentication turned on. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the page for your account menu. It's typically represented by your profile icon. Click that to open the drop-down. From the drop-down menu, select Transfers. This is where Robinhood lists your recent and upcoming money movements to and from your bank. On the Transfers page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Pending Transfers. This area shows transfers that have been initiated but haven't completed processing yet. Find the specific transfer you want to cancel. If you have multiple items pending, take a moment to double-check the date, the amount, and whether it was a deposit or a withdrawal. Accuracy matters here, because once a transfer moves past the pending stage, cancellation isn't possible. Click the pending transfer to open its details. Now review the transfer details carefully, confirm the direction of the transfer, the linked account, and the amount. If everything lines up and you're sure you want to stop it, look for the cancel transfer option, which appears in red at the bottom. Click cancel transfer. If the transfer is still pending, the cancellation should take effect right away. After you cancel, you should see the status update on the page, and you may receive a confirmation notification or email. If the option to cancel isn't available, it usually means the transfer is no longer pending and has already started processing. In that case, you won't be able to reverse it through the site. You can keep an eye on your bank account and Robinhood's activity or statements pages to track what happens next, and reach out to support if you have questions. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Timing matters. Transfers can move quickly during business hours, and they may be affected by weekends and holidays. Always verify the correct bank account is linked before initiating a transfer to avoid last-minute cancellations. And if you frequently move funds, consider setting reminders to review pending items shortly after you initiate them. That's it. You now know how to find and cancel a pending transfer on Robinhood with confidence.